Hey everybody, it's Darlene from Liquid Sunshine, and I just wanted to come on and talk about hands and feet. I know it's a sore spot for a lot of, especially new technicians. And another thing to consider when you're having your clients is if you have mature clients with either age spots or lines on their face, for instance, like me, I will go farther away and very light on the trigger and do 2 light passes on the face. And then what I do is I'll get a blending brush or a wipe and I remove it from my eyelids. I don't want the solution to be on there. Yeah. And then you can also do some contouring and stuff there. See, I've already done contouring. So anyway, we were talking hands and feet. So for the hands and feet, I always leave at the very end, and I tell my client that so that she's not worried I'm going to miss spots on her. I always let her know exactly what I'm going to do, how we're going to start, how we're going to finish. So you don't have to have that drastic claw. And then some clients will really stiffen up like that, and you just say, just loosen your hand, and they're still like that. So sometimes I will just gently have a glove on, obviously. I just gently put their hand onto my hand, and I just say, I just want you to relax, that's all. And farther away, do your X, right? Do your X. Your blending brush, get a good one. Don't get a cheap one. Don't cheapen out. This is a tool, and you have to spend money on some tools. Other tools, you can go to the dollar store for, and they work perfectly as well. But your blending brush, you want a good tool. So I've already sprayed the arm area. So what I'm going to do is just kind of wipe down, because you can feel like there's some excess on or not excess, but it's still movable. The solution is still movable. So you just want to bring it down and over the thumb area and on all the sides of the finger. Remember the pinky, and go up like this, because you're going to be drinking a wine or whatever, but you look like that. So remember all sides of the hand that the person is going to be looking at. You do not want to see like a line like that. You don't want to see the color here and then the palm here. You want it blended and go up the thumb, and blend it, go up the pinky. You're going in and out, and try to get those knuckles, try to get that solution into the knuckles, at least if a little bit of color, that's great. And you blend it, and then sometimes I'll take a look and I'll go, okay, I just want to do a little bit more, and I'll back away a little bit further, and I'll do just a little bit more. But you get kind of in a practice and a feel of how much solution is there and how the hands look. But you do not want the next day for dark knuckles and then white here, and then you see a line right across here. That's not pretty hands, right? Your feet, you're going to do that as well. For me, I do it at the very end, and I get right behind the heel and work it all the way into all of the toes. And for the feet, I generally just do the one pass, because the feet usually darken more. And shoes are going to wreck the tan. So if you do them super dark, as soon as she puts on her sneakers or her high heel shoes, it's going to be a mess. So keep it light, and you won't have that mess of a foot or hand. So I hope that helps. If any questions, or if I can go over this more with you, just DM me. I'm happy to help. So everybody have a great day. Peace out.